welcome to Harkins Technology. Today I'm going to do another Capture the Flag challenge from the 2025 Huntress Capture the Flag. Today we're going to be doing the challenge emotional. Challenge prompt, don't be shy, show your emotions, get emotional if you have to, uncover the flag. I downloaded this zip file, extracted it. Let's turn this VM on. And now by looking at this code in Codium, you can see we have a vulnerability, an EJS vulnerability. Look, the vulnerability is actually right down here. The profile page, data replaced, is replacing whatever this is with user injected code. So the user could input something right here, and that gets injected and executed on the page. Now let's see if this is up and running. It's not ready yet. Give it a few moments. Okay, here's the page. So my previous challenge I did was a console execution code because I didn't want to extract the cookie and put it into a curl command. It looks like you can just update emojis right here. So we're going to do something like that with this as well. We're going to do F12 on the keyboard. You would delete all this. And on this keyboard, we are going to see if we can execute against the set emoji method. So here, against this method right here, set emoji. Or I guess it'd be a function in JavaScript. So we will go and run a post command against set emoji. We're gonna post this and see if we can get any information off of this. We are replacing the set emoji with this syntax right here. This is the command we're gonna try to read the flag.txt from the file share. And you see we have command execution. I replaced it with this uncut syntax. So it did not work. How about we replace it with this command? So we're gonna again call a set emoji function. We are gonna put in a header. And we're gonna stringify it to text the JSON. We're gonna replace it with this command right here. This command, all it's doing is returning the process and trying to read a file that's in the directory. And then we're going to reload the page with it. And there we go. We have a flag displayed on the screen. I'm assuming this is the correct flag. Let's enter it and find out. This is just another exploit that we just did against this website. We hacked this website with an EJS vulnerability. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you all in the next video.